Have a cold or sinus? Don't make these 3 mistakes. Mistake 1. Suppressing symptoms with strong medication. Mucus is your body's defense. Help it clear naturally with steam inhalation and eucalyptus oil. Mistake 2. Skipping throat gargles. Salt and turmeric gargles reduce inflammation and prevent cough and fever. Mistake 3. Hard workouts. Rest is medicine. Warm water, soups, and a mix of honey, ginger, turmeric, pepper, and cinnamon help you recover faster. Follow for simple, natural health tips.